just put on this foundation. Oh my God, this girl is thick. But we'll see how it's going to work out in the heat. I'm going out to the park today with the kids a little bit. So let's see. This is in the shade 310 by Maybelline. Let's see how it works. All right, this is the Maybelline in the natural light. I'll be honest, it's holding up pretty good. And there's no filter, you guys. Pretty good. All right, my beautiful people, we are back. It is, what is it, 9:30. All right, my people, we are back. This is part 3. Sorry, I had to make it in 3 parts. But, oh my goodness, I am amazed and I am surprised. I am shocked. Maybelline did its thing. Oh my goodness. This thing is unbelievable. So Maybelline, good job. Because look at this. For my oily skin and it was hot and humid today. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. No filter. No nothing. Haven't touched it up yet. It looks really, really good. The only thing I would say, it broke down just very, very little. But as I could get a beauty blender, just pat it down and blend it in. But look at this, you guys. Oh my God. I think I found my new favorite foundation. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So this is the shade 310 in the Maybelline. Man, I was watching so many reviews and I'm like, let me see if this really works. I highly recommend this. Highly recommend this. It was just as good as the Lancome one. Man, you guys really got to try this. And if you guys wonder what shade I am, this is 310 in the Maybelline one. I use 380 Biscuit in the Lancome. And then I use in the Chanel one, I use BD 41 on the Chanel one. And then on the e.l.f. one, I use 330W. Just in case you guys are on my shade, you guys are wondering what it is. This 310, perfect match, blended really good. But I will say, and I will let you guys know now, this baby is thick. So you definitely kind of want to work in sections. Usually I like to like dab like a couple dots, then blend it in. But with this sucker, it is definitely thick. So you want to make sure you put it on. But the funny thing is like, it may be thick, but it doesn't feel thick on your skin, but it does amazing coverage. This is definitely full coverage. Love it, love it, love it. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And remember, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.